In this video, I'll show you how to change server image or profile picture on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to create a Discord server, right? So this is my Discord server, and for you to make this happen, you're going to click on this server settings. So this is my current profile picture of this server. So for you to change it, you're going to click right here. Right, once I click right, you're going to go to the image. I can change it to this, right? So you can see HowTo is currently wearing a Christmas hat. Click on the save changes. So I just changed the profile picture or the server image of this server, right? So this is how you can change server image or profile picture in a Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. Trust you guys are good. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.